Hello and welcome to the AFL Auto Blends 3D card creation channel. This is the next in a Blender learning series. It's just a quick tip. It's to show you how to import or how to export an object, any object, into another Blender file. Okay, so if you're in an existing file such as this, you just click on the object you want to import into another file. In this instance, I'll just choose the tyre. I'll then press Ctrl and C, which copies the object. Okay. Then I'll go and load in another version of Blender, a new copy of Blender. So say new, go to general and just open a new one, and then all I do is hold the control key down and press V. And there we are, that's the tyre imported into a fresh or an existing file. Okay, you can do that with any object. So just click on the object. From where you want to copy it from, press Ctrl and the C key, and then in the new Blender file, press Ctrl and V for Victor. Okay, and it should appear in there. Anyway, just a quick tip. See you in the next episode. Bye.